Okay, hello. Yes, I'm gonna be making homemade hot sauce. And I've never done it like this before, so this is completely new for me. I looked up some ingredient, like some recipes of like other like hot sauce in like low batch hot sauces. Or it's because the reason I decided to do it today is because this green one here actually fell off today. It was a bit too windy, I guess. And tasted it, and it isn't really that spicy. There's a tiny, tiny amount of spice in it, but not very much. We've not developed the spice yet, I guess. Um, so I decided, you know what? It was like 2 weeks since I planned on harvesting this red one, so I might as well do it now. And these ones are actually really, really spicy. This is Bhut Jolokia Chocolate, is what they're called. What I have seen, or what I've read, is that when people do it, I've not looked up a hot sauce for this specific pepper since I couldn't find it. But there seems to be, like, people always seem to use the peppers, salt, and then at least like vinegar, like white vinegar is the most common one. I don't want to use white vinegar. I'm going to use apple cider vinegar instead. And instead of, like, for example, use like 1 deciliter of white vinegar, and that's like all the liquid. I don't think I want it to be like 100%, all the liquids to just be vinegar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dilute it 50-50. So I'm gonna do half a deciliter of vinegar, and then maybe even a bit less than that, we'll see. And I'm gonna start off with like half a deciliter of vinegar, probably less, let's say 3/4 of half a deciliter of vinegar. And then water. I'm gonna be using tomato, but we'll see as I'm doing it. We'll see what I decide to do. I haven't really thought of what I want to do, but this is how it looks inside. And autofocus. Oh fuck! It smells delicious, actually. It smells very spicy. Oh, just smelling it, you're getting tears in your eyes because very spicy. And you know what? I'm gonna try it a bit by itself as well. So I'm trying this part, which should be the least spicy part. Yeah. Oh god, that is spicy. Maybe doing this isn't the best since I'm having a bit of like lung troubles at the moment. But, oh well. Oh man, that is spicy. But it's a nice taste as well. It isn't just pure spice. God. I'm gonna get some milk. Okay, yeah, that was very stupid of me since I plan on recording. I cannot speak when it is that hot in my mouth. Yeah, that because when you try and speak, you're like, oh fuck, I can't. Yeah, but so let's do that. Let's pre-chop them a bit. The other ingredients. And put in apple cider vinegar, half a deciliter, as I want to make around 1 deciliter worth of hot sauce. Half a deciliter in, and half a deciliter water. Alright, half a deciliter of water in. And then, so I'm gonna put like half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Let's put in a bit more. We like garlic flavor. And then salt. Maybe this salt might be like half a tablespoon. There we go. Then tomato paste. 1 teaspoon. 2. Fuck it. Let's put a tablespoon worth of tomato paste as well. See how it turns out when it comes to flavor. It actually became a lot thicker than I thought it would be. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more water. I don't want it to be that thick. Okay, hello. So this is how it looks like now. Oh, come on, I want everything. This is how it looks. God. I'm very stuffy nose and all that. But it shows that it is very hot. These ones, apparently they are between 800,000 to 1.5 million Scoville. And I mean, we had this one last year as well. We got one. Very hot, probably the hottest pepper or chili, whatever you want to call it, that I've ever had. I would say the ghost pepper is another one that I've tried. I feel like this is stronger or spicier than a ghost pepper. But the thing is that it all depends on each individual one, right? It could be that the ghost pepper I got was just milder, because I think ghost peppers are supposed to be stronger than these ones. No, I'm thinking of something. I'm thinking of the Carolina Reaper, yes. But also the ghost pepper. The ghost pepper, I think this is stronger than ghost pepper that I've had. And then I've had Carolina Reaper, and I would say this is stronger than Carolina Reaper, but I've never had a Carolina Reaper by itself. I've just had Carolina Reaper in other stuff like sausage. And then it's been like 1% of the entire sausage, or like 0.5% of the entire sausage has been a Carolina Reaper. So I've never had a decent amount of it. I've only had like 1% of a certain thing. And even those, they're like, oh, this is spicy, but not super spicy. But it's just 1%. I'm sure I would not be able to handle a Carolina Reaper.